This week has been quite interesting in new space developments. The Cygnus resupply spacecraft is back in commission and has found a new ride to the International Space Station. Also, Starship has finally got some news. More details coming up for your SpacePod for February 1st, 2024. Hey, what's up? And welcome to Orbital Edge News. I'm Chad, and we have some exciting recent developments to talk about. So Voyager Space has been working on the next replacement for the ISS, which would be a single-launch space station to low Earth orbit. This company has partnered with Airbus to get its first station off the ground. The coolest part about all of this is that it was just announced that this station was just contracted to be launched on SpaceX's Starship. What's even better is that not only this is a single launch station, it's measured at 8 meters in diameter and 8 meters tall, and this would actually take advantage of the Starship's cargo capabilities. This would make the first official commercial payload to be signed to the Starship. I'm glad this happened because we have not had a single commercial contract for the Starship, let alone anything that was going to utilize the space and mass that this monster ship can deliver into orbit. Unfortunately, not much is known about the capabilities of this space station. We don't have any information on what cruise spacecraft will be compatible to dock with the station. Could it be the Starliner, Dream Chaser, or even the Crew Dragon? We have reached out to Voyager Space just after the news broke out, so stay tuned and subscribe when we hear back on these details. In other space news, the Falcon 9 successfully delivered the Cygnus uncrewed cargo spacecraft to the International Space Station. In case you're new here, the Cygnus can carry around 8,000 pounds of cargo including science experiments, food, and return waste generated from the station. This doesn't get recovered, instead it deorbits and burns up in the atmosphere. What makes this flight newsworthy is the fact that normally the Cygnus flies on the Atlas V or Antares rocket. However, issues with Russia and the emerging retirement of the Atlas V give some leniency in allowing the Cygnus to be retrofitted for the Falcon 9. A testament to the Cygnus to be the most versatile spacecraft in terms of its payload adapter logistics. That about wraps it up. Hopefully you learned a lot more today than you did yesterday. I'm Chad, and I will see you out on the launch pad.